In this video, you'll be learning how to create a working business PayPal account. Now, as we all know, PayPal does not work for many African countries, especially Nigeria's and other West Africa countries. Now, due to this, many of us have lost many gigs, transaction, and payment. Now, the only account you can create on PayPal from Nigeria is the account you can use to send money, not to receive money, right? But right here in this video, you'll be learning how to create a working business PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria, Africa, or any part of the world. And now, if you follow every simple instructions I share in this video, you are going to be having a working business PayPal account at the end of this video. Now, for the purpose of this video, I already have a fresh Gmail account I just created right now. As you can see, this is a fresh Gmail account. There is no message right here, right? There is no message at all. I created this fresh Gmail account for the purpose of this PayPal account, right? Now, you want to have a fresh and a new Gmail account you have not used to register a PayPal account before. That's the first thing. And the second thing right here is that you have to have a number you have not used to register a PayPal account before, right? This must be a new number or a number which have not been used to register a PayPal account. Now, the third thing you have to do right here is that you have to go to your App Store or Play Store and download this very browser called Brave browser, right? This browser is what we are going to be using for the purpose of this video to create this very PayPal account. So immediately you are done downloading the app, you want to open the app right now. And let's get down to business, right? Now, before we jump properly into this video, if you are seeing me for the first time or you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and what I do this channel is that I do research. I bring valuable and productive video like this to you that can help you, aid you, and make money online faster. I also share making money online videos right here that can make you real money into your local bank account, right? And other tech related video. Now, if you are very new right here, you are welcome home, right? Kindly go down there, subscribe to this very channel because you are going to be having some mind-blowing valuable videos coming your way very shortly, right? Subscribe, turn on post notification because every week I drop new valuable videos on this very channel, right? And if you are getting value already from this video, please smash that like button. Thank you very much. So with this said, let's continue with our video right away. Right now, we just downloaded this app called Brave browser. You can easily set this app as your default browser if you want to set it. So the next thing to do right now is to go ahead and type in paypal.ae, click on search. Now it's going to launch up, right? We are going to click on the first link you are seeing right here, which is paypal.ae. What you are going to do right here is to click on sign up right at the top right corner. Sign up, right? As you can see, they're asking us to create a PayPal account. They're asking us for personal use or business purposes, right? Click on business PayPal account, click on get started, right? And it's going to load up and will take us to the next step to continue our process, right? So they are going to ask you to create your business account. You're going to put in your first name right here. Just click on your first name, your last name. You're going to just follow the procedure right here. Then your Gmail address. Right here, I'm going to put in the Gmail address you just created right now. I'm going to go ahead and put in our password right here. Click on agree to terms and conditions and click on agree and create account. Right, the next procedure on the next step is to email you a code, right? Click on email you a code. They are going to send you an email verification code to your email address, of which you are going to enter right here. So we are going to jump into our email address right now and enter the code right here on this very app. So as you can see right here, PayPal just sent us an email verification code, right? Copy it right here, then come back to PayPal, paste it on this very place. As you can see, this is the code. Click on submit. Now we are some steps closer to creating a business working PayPal account. As you can see, activate your account to start using PayPal. Click on let's go, right? Then they are going to ask you before we start which describe you best, right? Please and please, this is very important. Don't click on business. You are going to simply click on individual seller. Why? Because clicking on business will take you through a long process of which you don't have the informations to provide, right? Simply click on seller, which is in the individual seller. They're going to ask you to choose a business type. I'm going to click on individual, then I'm going to click on next, right? So the next thing they're going to ask you is that they're going to ask you your date of birth, then your nationality and your phone number, right? Simply go here and put in your date of birth. Right now, this is another step which is very important. That's the reason you have to watch this video and don't skip any part. Why? Because this step is very important. You want to put in your date of birth that is matched with your ID card or driver license, because you are going to be needing this in the long run in this PayPal account. So the date of birth you want to enter must match with the date of birth that is in your ID card or your driver license, right? You're going to go ahead and click on your date of birth right now. Please make sure you follow this video step by step so that you understand what I'm explaining right here in this video. So the next thing you are going to enter right here is your nationality. You're going to leave it at United Arab Emirates, right? So they are going to ask you what's your phone number. So you're going to just select Nigeria or any country you are viewing this video from. If you are from Ghana, Cameroon, just go ahead and click on your country code and input your phone number, right? Because that is very important. I'm going to click on Nigeria plus 234 and I'm going to put in the phone number right here. Then they are going to ask you what's your residential address. Right? Remember, our nationality right here is United Arab Emirates, meaning our address is going to tally with our nationality, right? So we are going to open a new tab right here, create a new tab. We're going to type in UAE address, right? We are going to click on the first one right here, right? Random addresses in UAE. So we are going to just find one and use. We're going to make use of this very one right here. Right, this very one right here. We're going to copy this PO box. We're going to come over to this very place. We're going to paste it right here. In this place, which is asking PO box, paste it right here. Additional information, we don't need that. Then the city. Then you're going to come over again, which is Abdul Dubai. Copy it right here. Then the city right here is Abdul Dubai also, right? So once we are done with this right now, we're going to click on next, right? Then to take us to the next process, right? We are a few steps away to creating a new paper account. Now they're going to ask us to tell us about your business and organization. Now this is why you must choose on individual business. Why? Because they are not going to task you or stress you on this very matter, right? They said you should, what's your business called, right? Which is your business name? We're going to just click on just use your full legal name, right? Click on full legal name and it's going to insert your full legal name right here. What's your business registration number? We don't need that. Why? Because it's an individual business. Then our primary currency is, of course, US dollars, right? We're going to leave it on this US dollars right here. Then what do you sell or what service do you offer? So I'm going to just click on what best relates what we do, right? We're going to just search for any of these services that best relate to what we do. This best relate what I do. Do you have a business website? No. If you have, you can put it right there. Then what's the business address? We're going to use our residential address, right? It's going to just put everything right there. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to click on next. As you can see, we are all set, right? Congratulations, you just create a working business paper account, right? Now you can now accept payments and move money. So we're going to click on go to home page, right? Click on go to home page and it's going to take us straight to home page. This is the next thing you have to do. This is very important because without this, you can't receive or send payment through your paper account. As you can see right here, say hi, welcome back on normal. So congratulations, right now you just created a working business paper account. As you can see, our balance right here is $0 cash flow $0. So the next thing you have to do, which is very important, is you have to create an invoice of which you can be using to receive and send payment. So what you have to do right now is to click on this hamburger icon right here. As you can see right now, you're going to click on pay and get paid, right? Click on request money, right? I'm going to ask you more ways to request money. Create a personal profile or create an invoice. Click on create a personal profile, get paid from people you know. This is very important. Make sure you are following this video step by step so that you will not miss it. You can watch this video, come back again and watch it so that you will not miss any step I'm showing you right here in this video. Click on create a personal profile. Then click on create a paper.me profile. Click on it. They're going to ask you to add a photo of which you are going to do. Click on add photo. Then choose from photo library. Click on done. So just select your picture, then set it the way you want it right here. Click on save. They are going to ask you to generate a link and share it to get paid. So I'm going to just put in my name right here, Norman Evans, as my payment link, and it's going to load up. As you can see, this name is available. Nobody have used it or taken this name. Click on agree, read and create. As you can see, your profile is live right now. You already created a link you can use to receive payment, and you can use this link to receive payment from anywhere in the world, and you can use this link to request for payment from anywhere or any payment gateway you want to use. Click on done. You already have your payment link set right away. So right now you already have a working paper account you can use to create and receive money from anywhere in the world. I'm going to be creating subsequent videos on this very series, right? Creating videos on how you can create a US account number you can link to your paper account so that you can withdraw your money and you can get it in your local bank account from anywhere in the world. That's the more reason you have to subscribe to this channel, because this video will be coming your way very shortly on how you can create a working US account and how you can also link your US account to your paper account so that you can get your money down to your Nigeria local bank account. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this very channel for more amazing videos. If you have any question, you have any feedback, you have any concern, The comment section is open. Drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be there to reply to your comment right away. Now, if you check here right now, I have some video lineup for you right here that can help you in the online space. So with that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.